So guys, let's make simple, easy yogurt puff puff that your family will love, your kids will love, everybody will love it. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So to begin, all you need is to go ahead and mix all your dry ingredients together. Your sugar, all-purpose flour according to the quantity you are baking. Okay guys, and also feel free to add sugar according to the quantity you want. For example, if you are the type that eats sugar, feel free to add more. If you are the type that don't like sugar, feel free to reduce. So feel free to reduce sugar as according to your taste. Keep watching. As for me, you can see I added sugar. This sugar I added about 6 or 7, and each pack is 8 grams, so I added to my taste, because my kids, if I bake and it's not a little bit sweet, they don't eat it. And for me, I'm running away from things that are sugary. Okay guys, so after adding all your dry ingredients, go ahead and add your yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice. Mix everything together. After mixing, go ahead and add your warm water, not hot water but warm. Okay, mix until you get the consistency you need, until you get the mixture, the type of the mixture you want for your dough. Then you go ahead and fry. Immediately you can as well let it to sit until the dough rise for as long as you want, and start frying. So keep watching.
Do you need to learn how to cook Nigerian food? African dishes on the stove, fill the house with good mood. Love family time, laughing after work. Life in Germany, but your heart still works. Mama, call me in, I'm ready to begin. Spice in my hand, enjoying the pen. Mama, what's up, time? Mama, what's up, time? Keep watching, keep learning, keep the family burning.
So I will just go ahead and start frying. Use your cooking pot or your frying pan to make your deep fry. Okay guys, so add oil, add enough oil to fry. Okay, and right now the oil has heated up a bit. To check if your oil has heated up a bit, just go ahead, add a little, just little, to see if you can fry. Okay, so we still have to wait. You can see the oil has not heated up enough, so wait a little bit for it to heat up before we start our frying. Continue watching. Start frying our puff puff. So okay guys, just start scooping it in. A lot of people have different ways of scooping their puff puff. Feel free to choose the one that you are mastered to. Okay, some people do it so with water, they touch water on their hands. I prefer using my hands without washing, without wearing any hand glove. If you want it to go faster, try to wet your hand with some water, then you scoop it in. I wet my hands with water, then I measure the quantity I want, then scoop in. Okay, repeat the same process until you are done. I learned this method from someone here in Germany. This method, just touch water, then you scoop in. But my normal method is the one I know from Africa, is so, then so. So everybody have their method of frying
scooping the puff or buns, what have you, inside. So you can use any method you think is okay by you. You are free to go. Okay, guys, continue watching.
Fry until it is golden brown.
Do you need to learn how to cook Nigerian food? African dishes on the stove. Fill the house with good mood. Love family time. Laughing afterward. Life in Germany. But your heart still works. Mama, call me. I'm ready to begin. Spice in my hands and joy in the pan. Mama, what's up, channel? Mama, what's up, channel? Keep watching, keep learning, keep the family burning. Mama, what's up, channel? Mama, what's up, channel? Nigerian food on the plate, loving every day. Loving every day. You stir that stew slow, you know what to do. Pepper on the spoon and the pot come through. African dishes